This video I will tell you that how to see sent friend requests on Facebook. So let's suppose that you have sent requests to so many people on Facebook to be friends with, and how you can actually know that which person you have actually sent a friend request. So Facebook actually gives you a list of this. So how you can actually know this? First of all, you need to open up your Facebook. Then you need to tap on your profile image at the top right here. Then you need to tap on friends, then tap on see all. Okay, so this is the list. Okay, so these are the requests that other people wants me to friends with them. Okay, so you will actually need to tap on these three dots at the top right, and then you need to tap on view send request, and this is the list. Okay, this is the list of my friend requests that I have sent to other people on Facebook. So it gives me the list, their name, and also the time. Okay, and if you want to cancel, you can just like cancel. Okay, so let's suppose that if I want to cancel this one, I will just tap on cancel and it add the request cancel. So guys, if you find this video useful, kindly like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next video.